5 mistakes that you're making in perimenopause that are truly making you stuck. So let's fix that. Number 1, not prioritizing enough protein in your diet. Without enough protein in your diet, your metabolism will start to slow down and you will start to have muscle loss. So aim for 30 grams of protein per meal. Number 2, skipping strength training. So cardio is really important, but strength training is even better because it's going to build up your muscle. Try to stick to at least 2 to 3 times per week. Number 3, ignoring stress management. Elevated cortisol wreaks havoc on your hormones. Incorporate mindful tips each day to get you through it. Number 4, eating too little. Restricting your calories can actually backfire, believe it or not, slowing down your metabolism and increasing your fatigue. So you need to make sure you nourish your body. Number 5, relying solely on willpower. Your hormones, not your willpower, is actually driving cravings, fatigue, and mood swings. So you need to address the root cause properly. Want to know how you can fix these mistakes? Drop guide down below and I will send you my free stress and hormone guide.